Life is chaotic. As people, we find ourselves juggling countless responsibilities: work, kids, marriage, school, sports, finances. It can feel completely overwhelming and unrelenting. I felt that way too. I was approaching 40, married, with 2 children, and was utterly exhausted. I knew there had to be a better way. While I couldn't control my circumstances, I decided to take control of my home and get things organized. With each area of my life I addressed, I realized that organization was a learned skill, a process, a system. I wanted others to experience the same life changes, to finally have time to pursue their passions and live out their unique purposes. Fast forward to today, Organize 365 is the trusted leader in home and paper organization, with a dedicated team that has helped thousands of people reclaim their homes and become functionally organized. Our work boxes, podcasts, and training have helped busy people in all phases of life with functional organizing systems that work. Products like the Sunday Basket and the Friday Workbox help you implement time-saving habits one space at a time that adapt to each phase of life. The system that started in a single home is now being used in thousands of households, helping busy people get organized and stay organized. Whatever life stage you find yourself in, you deserve a sustainable system that unlocks your time so that you can do what you are uniquely created to do.